Alright guys, so I'm currently sitting inside of a 2020 Honda Odyssey Elite, and we're going to talk about the parking sensors. Now as you're watching this video, please keep in mind that this parking sensor feature is only available on selected models and trims, alright? But sometimes can be added as an accessory. If that's the case you want to, contact your local dealership and find out how you can go about that. Now if you guys also found this video helpful, please feel free to show your support by hitting the like and subscribe. Now after all of that nonsense, let's talk about the parking sensors. So pretty much when you got your vehicle in reverse, you got to make sure your parking sensors are on. A lot of time you can have a P with a little indicator right here. It looks like it's sensing for an object. So it's off, now it's on. From that point you can tell by the green light. Now once it is on and activated, you can hit this little arrow button right over here. It has a nice little graph from that point. So as you're backing up, we're going to do this slowly here. There it is, one sensor. It gets closer, changes colors and how close you're getting. So yeah, that's the parking sensors right there, guys. If you guys have any further questions, feel free to contact me, Crazy Honda Chris here at Randy Kuehl Honda, or drop a comment down below. This is Crazy Chris, putting dreams in driveways. Thanks again, guys, for watching.